Okay, the equation of circle example questions. Find the equation of circle with given center and radius. A part 1, your center is 3, 7. Your center is 3, 7 and radius is 4. Now, with this, you need to understand that your normal standard form of equation of circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to what? R square. So this is your normal standard form. X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to what? R square. Considering that since we know that center is 3, 7, so every time whenever there is center, so this is considered as A and this is considered as what? B. So your A and B, A is 3 and B is what? 7. And this will be your R. So radius is what? 4. So if we just put down this thing, put down the values. So this should be x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square is equal to what? 4 square. So your end result for this is x minus 3 whole square, y minus 7 whole square is equal to what? 16. So this is your standard form of equation of circle. Now, the second part was, in second part, it says the center is 5, 1. Center is 5, 1 and radius is 6. So same standard form, which is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to what? R square. And if we just solve this thing down with the same process, that is x minus 5, because a is 5, whereas b will be 1 and this should be 6 square. So x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to what? 36. Now on the other hand, your b part 1 said, your b part 1 has the equation that is center is 3, minus 1 and radius is under root 7. So the form remains same, that is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to what? R square. And if we just solve this thing down, this should be x minus 3. Now see, the sign will change. Y minus minus plus will minus minus will become plus. Whole square is equal to under root 7 square. So this is going to be x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to what? 7 square is 40. 7 under root is there. So this should be what? Cancelled out. So your answer for this would be 7. So this is x minus 3 whole square, y plus 1 whole square, which is equal to what? 7. Then what do we have? We have B2 as well. And B2 says that B2, that your center is minus 4, 2 and radius is under root 5. So using the same method, which is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to what? R square. So this is going to be x plus 4, because negative will become positive whole square, plus y minus 2 whole square, which is equal to under root 5 square. So if under root and square will cancel out, so your end result is x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 5. So these are the 4 parts for question number 1. Question number 1. Okay. So moving ahead, we can see that now it says find the center and the radius of the following circle. Now, the equation is already given, right? That means a circle equation is given, but this circle equation is basically an open circle equation. What does it mean? It's an open circle equation. Now, let's just work upon it. If I just say that your value of equation of circle, your equation of circle standard form is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to what? R square. So this is your standardized form, but there is a general form as well. General form. And your general form says that it is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to what? 0. But you can always have your own general form. Now, how do you get your general form? That will be x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. Now, this entire general form can be opened up as x square minus 2ax plus a square plus y square minus 2yb plus b square is equal to what? R square. And similarly, this thing x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2yb is equal to r square minus a square minus b square. Now, this whole thing represents constant number, right? X square and y square will be generalized in the given question as well. But from here, you will get center A, and from here you will get center B by comparing with the given question. Now, your given question is x square plus 4x plus y square minus 6y plus 4, right? So if we just compare this thing, with x square plus 4x plus y square minus 6y is equal to minus 4. Let's just do that way. And we can always shift this as well, like x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y is equal to minus 4. Now this entire equation can be compared to the equation that we have just formed through the equation of circle. And the equation of circle form is x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2yb is equal to r square minus a square minus b square. So if you just compare this thing directly, or you can always open up in the question as well. So we can just write this thing down as x square plus y square, right? Now this is given. Apart from that, what do we have? Minus 2x minus 2yb. Minus 2ax minus 2yb is equal to r square minus a square minus b square. This was your generalized form. Now, considering this generalized form, you can agree that if we just compare this equation with this equation, right? So this x square cancel, this y square cancel. Minus 4 is compared to r square minus a square minus b square. And this 4x can be compared to the coefficient of x, which is minus 2ax. Minus 6y can be compared to minus 2yb. So let's just start comparing this. So what do we need to compare? We need to compare 4x minus 2ax minus 2ax minus 2ax. Your x and x is cancelled. So what do you get? 4 divided by minus 2, you will get minus 2. So your value of a is minus 2. Similarly, if you just see that your minus 6y can be compared to minus 2yb. Minus minus cancel, y is cancelled. So b is going to be what? 3. Here, your constant minus 4 will be compared to r square minus a square minus b square. Minus 4 is equal to r square and minus your a value was minus 2 square minus 3. This should be 3 square. So what will be the answer? Minus 4 is equal to r square. Minus 4 minus 2 square is 4. Obviously, negative is outside the bracket. Minus 9. So this is going to be, you can easily see that minus 4 and plus 4. So this thing is cancelled out. So what are you left with? You are left with r square is equal to what? 9. So r is under root 9. Your value of r will be 3. Radius will be in positive. Whenever you solve under root, you have positive, negative, but we'll be taking down radius as positive. So center of the circle is a comma b. So a is negative 2 and b is 3. Whereas radius in this question will be directly as 3. So these are the two answers. Okay. A part 2 for the same question. Let's just attempt this now. So A part 2. The question was very clear that it is x square minus 8x plus y square plus 2y plus 8 is equal to what? 0. And since obviously we need to find center and the radius, so the generalized form for this will be x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2yb is equal to r square minus a square minus b square. So now if we just compare this, so what we're going to compare is x with x. So minus 8x is compared to minus 2ax, right? So minus minus is cancelled, xx is cancelled. So a value becomes 4. Whereas your other comparison will be of y. 2y is equal to minus 2yb. So if I just say y and y is cancelled, so b is going to be minus 1. Then your constant will be r square minus a square minus b square, and this should be equal to what? Minus 8, because the constant will go on the right hand side. You can't compare directly. If r square minus a square minus b square are on the other side, then you need to shift your a to the other side as well so that your signs match. So now if we just solve this, your r square minus a is 4, your b is minus 1 minus 8. R square minus 16 minus 1 is equal to minus 8. So R square is equal to 8 plus 17 minus 8 plus 17. So R square is equal to what? 9 again. So R will be 3. So even in this case, if you just see, even in this case, your value center of circle is 4 comma minus 1 and radius is 3. So this was A part 2 from the other question where the equation is given, and with the help of the equation, we need to find out the center and the radius. Remember that if such equation is given, you need to open your normal standard form to the generalized form. And obviously generalized form is also given in the form of 2gx and 2fy, but you can always use this as minus 2ax and minus 2yb. In such cases, your g is basically your a and your f is basically as your b. But you can always change your x minus a whole square and y minus b whole square is equal to r square to this, so that you can have your own generalized form to solve such questions. Okay. Now what you need to understand is that your question that I have already given you, in this question B part 1 and part 2, try solving them yourself, understanding the answer, solve them, and the answer for B part 1 is that the center for this is 1 comma minus 3, and the radius for this is 3. Whereas B part 2, center is 5 comma minus 2 and radius is under root 30. So B part 1, x square minus 2x plus y square plus 6y plus 1. For this, your answer is 1 comma minus 3 and the radius is 3. X square minus 10x plus y square plus 4y is equal to minus 1 is equal to 0. The center is 5 comma minus 2 and the radius is under root 30. So try solving this and get your answer. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.